Hello guys, good evening. So by the way, I am Jomar. So now we're back here, and on the last video that I've shown you on the day 8 on creating the POS, okay. So I explained on the last part that under the inventory interface, so I have some missing function here or unfinished function, just like clicking the add button, clicking this code, clicking this store stock value, and also the warehouse stock value, and also the price. So on this topic, I will be showing you or give you an idea on how to create a pop-up div by clicking the add item. So what are we going to do here is we want to um, save another form or another interface under Sublime page. So all we have to do is to add another hidden pop-up div that will only be shown after clicking the add item. So okay, let's get it on. Okay, here under the Sublime, so this is the Sublime of the inventory manage. So I would just want to show you where is the add item button found. So add item button found is here, and of course we are using a tag. Okay, we are not using a button, so we will not use a function here statement. So all we have to do is we will use a pure PHP upon clicking or declaring a what we call this one, a get the dollar underscore get variable, global variable. Okay, it will depend on that. When it is declared or it is set, it will show the pop-up. If it's not, it will not show the pop-up. Okay, now let's go. First you have to do is to create the pop-up design. So we'll just create a very simple design here. So let's put it down here. Okay, so we add a div. So first of all, we need to declare a whole container, a div container that will hold all of the input fields. Okay, so we'll just name it in a class like float main container. Okay, after that, so we will add another div that will hold the input, that will set all the input in the center. Okay, another div. So we will just name it in the let's say input container. Okay, then after that, so we will start adding the inputs. How many input does we need? So going back to the interface of the inventory, so on adding the item, so we need to input the code, the name, the brand, the size, and also what type of size is the item. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, going back to Sublime. So input, so a type of text, and we just set a name of item code. Okay, next, another input, text type, item name. Okay, next, another input, text type. We'll just give the name of the item brand. Okay, then on the fourth one, let's check again. So we got the code, we got the name, we got the brand, so the size. So the size, because we are using integers, so we will set input type of number, and we will separate the size type on a select tag. Okay, let's do it. So input number, this will be the item size. So we will set a minimum value of 1 and a maximum value of 1000. Okay, so next, so here we'll use the select tag for the, because we want to set a static. Okay, we want to set static values or type of size. Okay, we can use the milligram, so option, so mg for milligram, then adding grams. Okay, grams. Oh, sorry. So you can add kilo. Oh, sorry. Okay, kg. Okay, there you go. So for the select, so for us to call the select value in the future of future inserting to the database by using the SQL. So we need to set a name. So we'll declare it automatically. Okay, so just put it item type. Okay, item type. Okay, next, so we also need to put a value because this will be useless without a value. Okay, and G. The other one. Okay, G. The other one. KG. Okay, there you go. Now let's check it out. Let's refresh it here. So as what you see, it is shown down here. So I want this thing to be shown aligned downward, or let's say parallel to each other. Okay, in a column type, brother. I want this to be shown in a column type. Okay. Now we will use a display flex. Okay. At this moment, we will now use the CSS. So going down here. So okay. Let's add some comment. Oh, sorry. This will be named as the float. Okay, float display. Okay, there you go. And an end comment like this. Okay. Now in the middle of this, we will start. We will start to the whole container. So we will add a border to the two containers. So it will be recognized. So we can put the second container in its proper place. Okay. First, we will call on this one, the main container. Okay. There you go. Okay. So we'll add border to it. We'll just set a blue color.